Hi guys, it's Derek with Diamonds. So, I have a package for you guys. I'm going to do a product review for. This comes from New Craft Day. They are based out of China. They reached out to me to do a product review for them. So, package number 1. Package number 2. Is that it? So, we're going to get into the diamond painting first. I could only ask for a certain amount because of shipping. This one, I'm really excited. I do plan on doing this one. It is so cute, guys. Oh my gosh. So, here it is. So, by what you can see, it is a specialty drill painting. What that means is wherever you see these little teardrops, that is a special drill. And this whole entire canvas is crystal. It is a partial. So here is one of the specialty drills. This is one of the small teardrops. So these go around the eye up here. That's what that is for. Thought I'd show that real quick. So here are your drills. Aren't these stunning, guys? I love it. I love the color palette. This is like my favorite right here, that pretty pale pink. So there is that. So New Craft Day, they do not do licensed art. They do not have any licensed paintings, if you're wondering. So be very, very careful when you get a painting from them. I went with a stock image. I know this is a stock image because it's all over the place. It is a 30 by 30, which it will not be a 30 by 30. It will be a 25 by 25. So, oh yeah. And what I like about this canvas is the glue starts at the border. It's not too bad. Symbols kind of scare me because the symbols are kind of small. They're big on the legend, but they're small on the painting, if that makes any sense. But I should be, and the symbols are pretty clear. Well, let me zoom you in a little bit. Yeah, they're pretty clear, and it's not too bad. So, and this does go by DMC number, which is a plus. I do plan on doing this kit. As if you don't already know, I'm a fan of owls. These are what I call snack size. So it did come with toolkit. Here's your toolkit. I'm not getting into detail with the toolkit. It's kind of foolish. So there's that. So guys, here is the Mama Jama here. I am so excited to show you guys this. Someone on my Facebook group asked me, how come you haven't done the square Tic Tac containers yet? Well, I was scared, I'm not gonna lie. So, New Craft Day sent me one. And guys, oh my gosh, I'm already in love with it, and I haven't even put drills in it yet. So, I love how cute the container comes. Comes with a handle. I do plan on ordering from them again because, guys, this came from China, and you know how long it took? Week and a half, if I'm lucky. It didn't take long to get this. So this is what the big square Tic Tac containers look like. Pretty small, pretty self-efficient. So there are 32 of these Mama Jamas. So the lids pop open like that, and that's it. But the trick to them is they come off. So what I do plan to do is put washi tape around the edges so that I don't have the whole lid going loosey-goosey on me. But I like that I can kit a snack size painting, all the diamonds into one. So the painting I am kitting up in this is this one. It's a cute snack size. It has 19 colors. There's no ABs. So we are going to kit this up right now. I'm probably not going to do too far into it. I'm probably going to do about 20 minutes on my feed here. So they give you labels here. So I am labeling this a little different. I don't know if I want to do okay, we're going to do DMC number. That'll make it easy. 57, 159, 368, 451, 452. We'll stop there. So, grab your container. So, and look, they give you more than you need. You can actually kit up twice with this. Oh, and look, the labels fit perfectly. And I found 157 already. So this kit is gonna get kitted up so quick. I like these kind of bags because they do not take me long. It's pretty quick. So I thought I would do this quickly with you guys. I'm not going to stay on long. As if you guys don't already know, I've been under the weather. So So this painting is so cute. This was actually sent to me by Home Craftology. I have not ordered kits from them yet because I really want to test the waters to see how well their kits are going to work for me. The only downside I've seen so far is the visibility of the numbers is not the greatest. So I'm going to take the lid off. This is 157. I'm going to cut this into, so I'm only staying on here for 20 minutes just so I can make sure this gets downloaded here. First one. Next would be 159. Some of them do come off easier than others, so that's when washi tape comes into play. I plan on ordering more of these containers through AliExpress because they have bigger volumes of these. But oh my gosh. I saw Gracie Diamond paint with these and I was like, oh, they're not going to be great. 368. I'm looking here, guys. Don't mind me. I want to make sure I have all my colors in a row here. So this is 368, a really faint green. I've been wanting to kit this up into containers for a while, but I haven't really had any containers that I wanted to do that with. That is so pitiful. So I'm already in love with these containers. This one is actually going to be for my husband. He's big into sloths. So let's pull this open. 451. This is a good example of how much of drills this can hold. So, I do love how cute this painting is. It's really cute, guys. Static. I've had no static with these drills, which I'm loving. I did a whoopsie, don't mind me. So I do plan on order from Home Craftology if I like their canvas. So far, it's kind of basic. I think it's because it's a free kit. I think I paid all of $5 for this kit. Do one more color, which is a pretty easy one. 452. And that will be the end. Now I know why people like these for Diamond Art Club. The labels would fit perfectly on here. This is a square kit. And you're probably like, why would you choose square kit for? Because if they can't handle the squares, they're not going to handle me, because that's all I buy now most of the time is square drill kits. So if squares can't cut it, you can't cut it with me. That's why Dreamer Design, I had the love-hate relationship for a little bit, but I tried that, recording my video for my Black Friday unboxing. That was a mission failed. So I will try to record that at some other date. But with that being said, guys, this is what the square Tic Tac containers look like. And guys, go check out New Craft Day. I will put their link in the description box. But guys, go check them out. This is Derek with Diamonds telling you guys, be safe, social distance, don't spread your germs, be kind to each other and yourself. Happy diamond painting, guys. Bye.